Hi, everyone. So I want to talk about the legal recruiting market right now and how it's booming and what law firms should be thinking about with regard to recruiting and retention. So you obviously know that we are in an extraordinary and unprecedented time, and you're trying to recruit people for the work you have, but it's difficult. You're also losing people. I mean, I think that's one of the biggest conundrums that law firms are facing right now is the fact that you have tons of work from your clients and there's no shortage of the demand, but you don't have enough people to do the work. So you want to hire more people to help the people who are already there, and the people who are already there are overworked and they may be in danger of leaving, and not necessarily to another firm. They may go in-house. They may do something completely different. They may say, gosh, I've worked so hard over the last 18 months. Maybe it's time for something new. So the other thing to think about is that mid-size and boutique firms are also looking for talent, and they offer different things. And in-house companies are also looking for lawyers, and a lot of the times it's the same lawyers you're trying to recruit. So year 3 through 6, corporate associate, very hot in the market right now. So what can you do? Okay. Well, number one, I would suggest that you recruit your people every single day. Make sure that you are meeting the needs of the people you have, that they're happy, you're offering them advancement opportunities, you're offering them professional development opportunities, and you are giving them the flexibility to do their work from where they want to do it. Because at the end of the day, it is not so important to have them in the office every day. And I know some law firms really want to get back to quote unquote normal, but I don't even know what that means anymore. And the firms that require their people to be in the office every day are going to be at a huge disadvantage. The other thing is you should expand your talent pool outside of your home office and the other offices. So I'm working with one client that has an amazing associate who now lives in Charleston, South Carolina. Great. She's admitted in New York. If she has to travel to New York, she will. If she doesn't need to, there's no need. Firms are saving so much money also not having their people travel for meetings and to be in different offices all the time. So think about the overhead costs that you're saving as well. There are so many amazing lawyers who don't necessarily live in the big hubs, and you, just because you're a New York law firm, doesn't mean that you need to necessarily also have lawyers that are situated there. Okay, so think outside the box. The other thing I will recommend to you guys is to think also about what you are going to do to ensure that your paralegals are also very happy, because they're in danger of being poached. Firms that are enlightened right now that look at also mental health, well-being, coaching, and don't just pay lip service to this during Mental Health Awareness Month, that actually really live and breathe this every day and support their people, those are the firms that are going to get ahead right now. And it's not necessarily that recruits are so concerned with the name on the door or the prestige of the firm. If you think that that is what's going to separate you right now and how much you can offer to pay them, you're wrong. Associates also don't necessarily consider pay to be the most important aspect of why they choose a firm. So remember that. And I would just encourage you to really think about making sure that there's opportunities for advancement. And you know, obviously there's associate, counsel, partner. Yeah, we all know that. But what about leadership opportunities? Making somebody the head of a group, putting them on the executive committee, putting them on other important committees. There's so many things that you could do to make somebody feel valued, and even helping them get on a board or helping them win an award. Showing that you're invested in their professional development will go so far in this very tight market. So firms, don't just do what you were doing. Think outside the box. It's time for a change. We are at a major inflection point in this industry. You have a major opportunity to retain your talent and continue to recruit talent as long as you do things differently and learn from the past 18 months. Reach out to me with any questions and follow me at thesocialmediabutterflyblog.com.